So guys, it's 6 a.m. and this is the best part of the day. I'm going for my morning walk. This is just straight. My place is literally here, so it's like 2 minutes or 1. And the best thing, it's warm, you can go outside, there are palm trees, there are birds, there are no cars, and there are lots and lots of Robinson Crusoe-like beach and nobody. And the sunrise, yay! Oh my god. Guys, it's so beautiful to fall asleep when you hear this all night. Oh my god. And the sand and the beach is super clean. The Panama people, they don't leave trash. Not much, at least. I wish you a beautiful day wherever you are, or midday or afternoon, or whenever you watch this. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.